Hello, all my beautiful people, and a very, very warm welcome to all my subscribers, both long-term and new-term subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being a part of my channel. As you can see, I'm working on my caveman quilt-as-you-go string quilt. I'm just hand tacking down the binding here. Just trying to get it finished. I'm hoping to have it done in the next day or so completely, and I can show it to you in all its entirety. It's so bloody hot here. The outside temperature is like 95 degrees, and when you factor in the humidity, it feels as a feel-like temperature of like 105 or 106 degrees. So yeah, it's a bit warm today. So this is what I've gotten done so far. I can't see much, but just, like I said, I'm just tacking down the binding, and it should be done here in just a couple of days. But the purpose for this video today is let the tagging begin. Yes, I was tagged once again in one of these tagging games, and I really enjoy these tagging games. Now, I'm not 100% sure who started this tag, but I'm going to continue the little game. Now, Tammy from the Siberian Wind tagged me earlier today, and the question is, what is your go-to notion? I'm sure if you followed my videos for any length of time, you already know what my go-to notion is. But I'm going to show you anyways. Let me put this down and have a quick look at it. My go-to notion is, and has been for a very long time, my Soline glue pen. I can't live without this. I mean, it comes in handy for so many things, like paper piecing, foundation paper piecing, English paper piecing. And what I like it for is when I'm sewing down my bindings, I can glue it down first and then just hand stitch the back, or finish by hand stitching. So yeah, Soline glue pen is my go-to. Oh, my phone's ringing. Now, I'm not going to get up to answer it because I'm sure it's not important. Y'all are more important than any stinking phone call. But anyways, my go-to notion is a Soline glue pen. So I am going to continue the game, and I'm going to tag 3 people. I have a list here. The first one that I'm tagging is Lisa from the Awkward Quilter GA. Second is Mike from A New York Beauty. Go, Mr. Fluffy, I'm sorry. And the third is Will from William Sews. Now, if you have not seen or heard of William Sews, I really suggest you go check out his channel. He's another gentleman quilter, a mature gentleman quilter, and he lives down under in Australia, and he's got so many wonderful videos up there and tutorials and just some great ideas. So I suggest you check him out, and also make sure you check out Mike from New York Beauty. He just got his channel up and running a little bit. I think he's only got maybe 3 videos at the moment, but please check him out as well. So I'm going to continue working on this, and I will be sure to post a completed video of it when I am done, providing I'm still alive and I haven't completely melted away. And I'm hoping to have that video up, oh gosh, by the end of the week, I would think. It just depends on how long it takes me to hand tack this binding down. It's just so hot. I can only work on it when it's in the mornings, when it's a little bit cooler, or later in, very late in the afternoon into the evening when things cool down a little bit. Oh, I got a buddy coming up here to visit. Oh, hello, Rocco. Hello, big boy. I want you to sit down. No, I want you to sit. No, you're getting rambunctious now. Sit. Just come on and sit down. You're getting a little too rambunctious. I know you love your daddy. I know you love your daddy. I love you too. Oh, you're getting a little too rambunctious here. Now settle down. Settle down. Settle down. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. You want to say hi to all the wonderful people out there? Looky here. Looky here. Say hi to everybody. All right. Well, I am going to wrap it up here, and I hope that you all have the best day ever. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay creative, stay blessed, and I will see you again very, very soon. I'm gone. Bye-bye.